Can someone please help me? I have a cruise booked out of Galveston and heard you can't use the drink package until you're in international waters. Is this true?
That's the 17th question we're going to answer today in this series of Sailor Support. So whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, come aboard with us as we help you navigate the choppy waters of the cruise line industry and answer your burning questions from around the world.
Basically, what I want to know is when does the alcohol portion of the Plus package start when you leave out of Galveston? The only thing I've seen is that you have to wait until you're in international waters to use it. Is that true? And how do you know when you're officially in international waters?
When leaving out of Galveston, you will have to wait about 1 hour after leaving port to use any unlimited packages for alcohol at the lovely state of Texas once they're cut of alcohol sales. It doesn't matter where on the boat you are, there is no free alcohol, except if your status includes minibar in the room or your free bottle of wine per person, consumable in your room, that you brought on the boat. If you attempt to use your medallion to consume alcohol with your package prior to that hour or so out of port, you will pay per drink the cost, Texas value-added tax, and gratuity as if you had zero package. Be aware.
One thing to note also is that some of the rules regarding the drink package prices also vary depending on which cruise line and where you sail from. For instance, in February, we sailed on Norwegian Cruise Line and got right to drinking as soon as we embarked. We were not charged for any alcoholic beverages, as it was part of our free at sea package. But we were charged a tax for every drink we ordered until we hit international waters. I think it came out to be less than $5.
Packages don't start until you're out of Galveston waters, which for us on our last cruise was about 5 p.m. We were waiting and socializing in the bar, and everyone cheered when the bartender announced it. In my experience, though, Princess gives package holders a $25 voyage disruption credit, onboard credit, which is intended to compensate for the delay. So you can enjoy a drink when you first get on if you want, without feeling you're paying for it.
The $25 voyage disruption onboard credit is part of the story. The other is that there is a limited selection of alcoholic beverages until they are clear of Texas waters. So the usual call and top shelf liquors, wines, and beers aren't available. Beware the tequila.
I got a beer when I first got on the boat at noon. It was part of the package, and I didn't have to pay any additional charges.
I'm curious about this as well. I have sailed Royal Caribbean out of Galveston several times, and the deluxe package is available as soon as you step on the ship, but it is a limited drink menu due to Texas Alcoholic Beverage Code rules.
Well, we've just unraveled the mysteries of those drink packages out of Galveston. Quite the eye-opener, right? Whether you've been nodding along, sipping a drink, or just had a wait, what moment, we want to hear from you. Drop your good, bad, and yes, those unexpectedly sober moments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time.
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.